Hello and welcome back to this part 2 of Debian Linux installation tutorial. Remember in our last part we could not get full screen working. So the trick was that you go to your Virtualbox and you go to devices and you click install guest additions. So we say install guest additions and then it is actually already mounted. So you first do the mounting and then you can actually see that, and as you see that we have VirtualBox already in, the full screen working. So KDE has been installed. Okay, so you see it detects that. Okay, so this is the GNOME. We don't want GNOME, we want KDE. The looks have also improved, so we want to go to Plasma Desktop. Now Plasma Desktop is loading. Okay, let it load. Will take some time. Okay. KDE is somewhat slower as far as loading is concerned. So now as you can see, we have received the notification that we have got this. So we go to our music, we go to our utilities. Okay, now the extern is here, not in the console. I need the console. Okay, this is the one I'm looking for. Okay, so for recording purposes, this is the first time, so I'll have to change the profile for you to better view this. So I'll choose black and white and I'll increase the font a bit. Okay, so that should be fine. So now what you need to do is that you go to a console, not a terminal emulator like this in VirtualBox like this, and then you log in as root, and then you stop the window manager, which was for our case GDM3. So you say stop. I'll not show you that this step because this will kill GDM3, but it's not running actually, so nothing will be stopped. Now you need to generate a file called exarg.const.new, which you can generate by saying exarg.configure. Okay, so since Exarg is already running, it gave me error, otherwise it would have generated this file. So it looks like this. It looks like this. What you need to do is you need to make it look like this. See, you need to add this section and you need to add all this stuff, but before that you will have to install the VirtualBox additions, so that is here. Okay, so you see this file, right? So that you will have to run as root. So you say /. So once this step is done, your VirtualBox setup is ready, and then we can have that 14 by 40 resolution, and then you can press Ctrl F so you can see all this, and then you can also run in seamless mode, and you can actually minimize this and you will have your KD stuff also here. So now you see this goes below because we have forced 1440 by 900, so you can adjust that also, but it looks like a perfect Linux desktop. If I run it like this and you see this screencast, you won't even know that I'm running it on a VM unless you get hints. There are certain hints you can get here, like certain titles contain @vbox desktop. So you run this thing, uh, um, that MNT CD-ROM media CD-ROM. So remember to run this as root, and then you remember to do the XOR configuration. Why it did not work, our Linux editions, was because of the fact that Debian has older repository, so it will never work. One more change you will have to do is default Virtualbox is load vbox drv module is equal to 0. So once you do all this, it is going to be work flawlessly. And now you see I have also installed KDE. So lots of stuff. I got this much, and then I have this, and then I have got this. So lot more stuff I have installed in the meantime. I was doing this, and that's like an hour later I'm recording this video. It looks cool, not bad. So that's it for now from my side. See you in next series of programming tutorials. I'm sorry that my last video I accidentally clicked this and then it got terminated, so there's an abnormal termination in my previous video. I deeply regret that. So keep watching. Thanks.